If your business is still using rule-based automation in 2026, you are leaving money on the table. Not a little money. We're talking ROI numbers between 171% and 250% within 18 months for companies making the switch to AI-driven workflows. I'm J. Todd Jennings. I run CyberTiger Technologies, where I work as a fractional CTO and AI automation consultant for businesses building exactly these kinds of systems. I've spent about 30 years in technology leadership. I was the co-founder of Endurance Zone, a sports SaaS platform that scaled past 150 million users globally. Right now, I'm hands-on every day helping businesses building agentic AI workflows, AI agents, and automation pipelines across e-commerce, digital marketing, recruiting, medical, property management, logistics, and B2B services. So this isn't theory. This is what I'm seeing work in the field right now in 2026. In this video, I'm covering three things. First, the 4 AI automation use cases actually generating measurable ROI this year. Second, a deep dive walkthrough of the highest leverage one, AI accounting, so you can see exactly how it's built. And third, a costly mistake called the Zapier Cliff that's quietly draining tens of thousands of dollars a year from high volume businesses and how to avoid it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which automation to build first, what kind of return to expect, and the platform serious operators are standardizing on to build it. Systems over shortcuts. Let's get into it. Here's the fundamental shift happening right now. For years, automation meant, if this happens, then do that. Rigid, rule-based, brittle. The second a real-world scenario didn't match the script. 2026 is the year that flips. Context-aware AI agents are replacing rule-based systems across sales, marketing, and customer support. Not because it's trendy, but because the leadership research backs it up. Wharton's own strategic guidance is now telling executives AI governance and change management aren't optional side projects anymore. They're core to integrating this technology into how your company actually runs. And the platform most operators are standardizing on for this, N8N. It's flexible enough to run both the simple deterministic stuff and the dynamic AI agents that take real autonomous action. I'll show you why that flexibility matters in a second. Let's get specific. There are 4 categories of automation delivering real, measurable ROI right now. Number 1, customer service and support. This is the highest performer across the board, 340% ROI, with payback in about 6 months. Why? A properly built 24/7 support agent resolves roughly 80% of customer queries instantly just by referencing your own internal knowledge base. No human touches those tickets. On top of that, automated email triage classifies inbound messages, sales, billing, support, so nothing time-sensitive falls through the cracks from manual inbox scanning. Number 2, sales and lead management. This category is all about speed to lead. The average business takes 4 hours to respond to a new lead manually. AI-driven systems respond in under 10 seconds. That difference alone increases lead-to-booking rates by 35%. Pair that with automated lead enrichment, scraping LinkedIn, company sites, social profiles to score and route prospects in seconds, and you've essentially built an automated SDR team that runs around the clock. Number 3, data processing and finance. This is the quiet profit center most people overlook. Data entry automation alone delivers 290% ROI within 4 months. AI accounting, pulling invoice data from email, classifying it as income or expense, updating your financial dashboard in real time, saves over 10 hours a month of manual labor, and runs at roughly 280% ROI. I'll break this one down in detail in a second because it's the one I get asked about the most. Number 4, operations and inventory. For retail, manufacturing, and pharma especially, merging live warehouse data with sales velocity to forecast demand and auto-generate purchase orders prevents both stockouts and overstocking. And on the ops side, meeting transcription tools that turn conversations directly into structured tasks in Jira or Asana close the gap between we decided this and this actually got done. Let's go one level deeper on the finance use case, because this is the one with the clearest before and after. Think of it as a 24/7 junior accountant. Here's the actual technical flow. A Gmail trigger watches your inbox for unread emails with attachments. An if node filters out the noise. Anything non-transactional gets skipped immediately. The invoice gets uploaded to storage, OCR extracts the text, and then it runs through a 2-tier classification. First, is this even a transaction? Second, is it income or an expense? From there, AI agents extract the supplier name, amount, date, and description, and log it straight into a Google Sheet or your ERP, with a link back to the original invoice for audit purposes. The result? Accounting teams save an average of 18 hours per week. Smaller operations cut 10 plus hours of manual work a month. And because logging happens instantly, you get a live financial dashboard instead of waiting until month end to know where you stand. But, and this matters, finance automation needs guardrails. One mistake in finance is one mistake too many. That means human in the loop review for anything higher risk, an error trigger that pings you on Telegram or Slack the moment OCR fails, and self-hosted execution logs you can keep indefinitely instead of the 30-day limit most SaaS tools give you. Now here's the part that should make every operations leader stop and check their bill. If you're running over 50,000 automation tasks a month on a task-based billing platform like Zapier, you're sitting on what's being called the Zapier Cliff. Switching that single high-volume workflow to self-hosted infrastructure N8N on your own server can save over $41,000 a year on one workflow. And the smart way to get there isn't jumping straight to fully autonomous AI agents. Start with low-risk, deterministic workflows, email triage, summaries, drafts that wait for human approval, prove the reliability, then graduate to agents that take action on their own. So let's bring it back together. This isn't a future trend you can wait on. The business is already running 24/7 support agents, automated lead response, and real-time financial dashboards are operating at a structural cost advantage over the ones still doing this manually. Customer service automation is paying back in 6 months at 340% ROI. Accounting automation is saving teams 18 hours a week. And avoiding the Zapier Cliff alone can save you over $41,000 a year on a single workflow. The path in is shorter than people think. Most of these workflows take a couple hours to build from scratch, or 10 to 15 minutes if you're starting from the right template. If this helped you see where to start, do me a favor and hit subscribe. I'm putting out videos every week breaking down exactly how to build these systems step by step so you don't have to figure it out alone. And if you want me to build one of these live, the support agent, the accounting pipeline, or the lead response system, drop a comment and tell me which one, and that's what I'll cover next. Systems over shortcuts. I am JT, and I will see you in the next one.